Yeah. Good morning. Now I am going to explain chapter 1 of 10th standard mathematics real numbers. Okay. ఇక్కడ 10th class లో first chapter real numbers SSC syllabus లో. So already we know that what are real numbers. Just I will go through it briefly. So real numbers means what? Rational numbers. Rational numbers Q and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers together are called real numbers. Are called real numbers. So already you are learning from the 8th standard onwards real numbers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. So first of all, you have to know what are rational numbers. Do you know what are rational numbers? So rational numbers denoted with capital Q. So what are rational numbers means? The numbers which can be written in the P by Q form. In the P by Q form, where Q not equal to 0. In this Q should not be 0. What will comes in this? In this rational numbers, integers. All the integers are rational numbers. Next, terminating decimal. And another one, non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. The non-terminating repeating decimals are also come under rational numbers. If you take any fraction, you do the division. There are two types of decimal forms will come. After some steps, you may get 0. Means they are called terminating decimals. Or sometimes what you observe in the quotient, for the digits may repeatedly. Same digits will repeat after some steps. The division never ends. Or you are going to get the remainders and you are continuing the division. So these are called rational numbers. So actually in this chapter what we will discuss is first one, division algorithm. Second one, decimal, terminating and non-terminating decimal. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. And here in the division algorithm, finding HCF. We will discuss in the overall chapter, division algorithm, finding of HCF will discuss, terminating and non-terminating decimals. Another one, logarithms. So this is the overall chapter. In the first chapter we will discuss. Yeah. In the real number chapter, we discussed that what are the main topics were there. In this first one is theorem 1.1, that is division algorithm. What is division algorithm? For any two positive integers. For any two positive integers A and B, there exists a pair of numbers B and R, numbers Q and R satisfying the given numbers. So it is a division algorithm. Generally, you know, basically division means divisor into quotient plus remainder. How to write like that only. For any two positive, there exists a pair of numbers Q and R satisfying the given number. What is it means actually? A is equal to BQ plus R. So this is only called as division algorithm. Related to this algorithm, there is Euclid, a division algorithm is also there. So what is a means a given number? You are dividing with a number b, then quotient will be and remainder will be. In this, what will you get is remainder is always less than or equal to b. Remainder is always less than the divisor. Yeah, related to the division algorithm only, Euclid's division algorithm is there. So what is it mean? To find the HCF of two numbers, here Euclid's division algorithm will use. For example you take 60, find the HCF of 60 and 40. If you take 60 and 40, how will you do? So the 60 is written as 40. With 40 you divide it, you will get it as 40 into 1. The remainder is written here. After this, you write the 40 and this is called remainder. You will write it as 20 into 240 plus 0. So that here what is the HCF for this is HCF is equal to 20. So generally, the another method, how will you do the HCF? So that method only we are writing in the another way. A is equal to BQ plus R we are writing here. How to find the HCF? For example, 60 HCF, you are doing with 60 and 40 HCF, this will do like this. 40 on the 40, you are getting a remainder 20. Then this 40 is written here. So 22 is the 40, so you are getting remainder. So this is called HCF. So this method only we will write in this way. Yeah. Now I am going to explain example 1. It is related to the division algorithm only. We have to say the numbers, how they form will come whenever you are doing the division. Show that any positive even integer is of the form of 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form of 2q plus 1. You know that generally even number is written as 2 into any number you do. You will get even number only. Example. I am writing 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is a even number. If you write 2 into 4 is also an even number. 2 multiplied with any number, you are getting a even number only. That is 2n form is nothing but even number. But here is clear. What is asking you is any positive integer. So what is the division algorithm? A is a positive integer. So here A is equal to 2q plus R. A is equal to 2q plus R. Here B is equal to 2. So that what is the R value? 0 and 1. You remember that always with which number you are dividing, the remainder will be less than that. So what I will get here, it is A is equal to 2q plus 2q R 2q plus 1. 2q plus 1. So what does it mean? This is 2 is there, 2 into some number is there, so it is divisible by 2. So divisible by 2 means what? The even number, the even numbers are divisible by 2. So that always it is even. So even number is 2q, even number is in the form of 2q, and whenever we are getting the remainder 1, so it is and odd number is stop.